Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the hip strip in Montego Bay, Jamaica. The hip strip is also known as the Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. So we were actually looking for the vistas at Montego Bay development, but we saw all this work going on, or construction on the way on the strip. So we decided to just make this video about the construction that's going on the hip strip, the developments. And if anybody knows the exact address of the vistas at Montego Bay, let us know, because we'll start making videos of the project so that you will get everything from the beginning. And the vistas at Montego Bay is to build some apartments on the hip strip. It's like $100 million investment to build these apartments. Okay, so this looks like it's a hotel, but I'm not sure if the workers were just not working today or this project is on hold, but I'm not seeing any activity on the site. So if anybody knows what's going on with this project, let us know. We can include the information on upcoming videos. So this is why I'm wondering if the site, if any work is being done, because as you can see, the trees or the vegetation seems to be all over the site. Alright, so if anybody knows, let us know. So we're going to head back out onto the hip strip now and look at the other developments. So the government announced it's going to be spending $1 billion to renovate and upgrade the hip strip. So they also have plans to make this hip strip the #1 hip strip in not only Jamaica but the Caribbean. Harmony Beach Park was recently renovated. At the end of the hip strip, it's like at the intersection of Jimmy Cliff Boulevard and Howard Cook Boulevard. Very nice facility. You can check out the videos that we have up on that project. It's actually finished. So as you can see, this is a massive hotel on the left. That's the one we just toured. On the right now is a Spanish Court Hotel, and they call it the S Hotel. There it is coming into view on the right, sorry. On the left seems to be a smaller, either hotel or, yeah, it's a hotel on the left. And that's the S Hotel on the right. So this is actually Jimmy Cliff Boulevard, which is known as the hip strip. And at night, this place is buzzing with activity, with all the restaurants, clubs. Very busy place. Alright, coming up on the right now is Starbucks and then Doctor's Cave Beach. I don't know why I keep mixing up this name. It's either Doctor's Cave or Doctor's Cove. But the beach entrance is on the right. So straight ahead, that on the right, that's Starbucks. And then beside Starbucks is the beach. And then there are 3 other developments or places under construction on the strip. So we'll point them out to you as we go along. So that's Starbucks on the right. And that's the beach there. See if we can see the name, Doctor's. I think it's Doctor's Cove Beach. Okay, straight ahead now, where you see that white building that's under construction. That one might be more of a shopping plaza. We're not sure what it's going to be. But at the ground floor of that building is a plaza, or shops, I should say. Now coming up on the right is like a restaurant / bar. That's where you have the zinc fence there. And they're doing renovations over there. So there's the one on the left. You can see the ground floor is a shop. Not sure what the upper floors are going to be. And if anybody knows any information on these projects, just leave a comment in the section below. There you can see the shop at the bottom. Alright, so you can see a lot of shops here now that are like places for tourists. Places for tourists to stop and shop. And then on the right now is another, well, you have a few restaurants, but probably the most popular one is going to be Margaritaville on the right. And then there's a casino on the left, and they have a very nice games room there as well. And the hip strip has security. In addition to police, they have private security that walk up and down and monitor the strip, because this is like a safe area for tourists to walk up and down and enjoy Jamaica. So they have a lot of restaurants and clubs on the right. Oh, here you can see one of these tourist things. Tourist attractions where the people stand on the sticks and walk up and down looking like giants. As you can see, a lot of shops on this strip. Alright, that building on the left now is where they have the casino and a games room for children. The games room is on the ground floor and the casino is at the top. And then on the right now is, that's Margaritaville that we just passed on the right. Alright, so on the left now is Burger King, and they built a plaza around the Burger King. And then now on the left is another hotel that's being renovated. We're going to see it in a bit. There you can see another hotel being renovated. So a lot of construction or work improvements going on the buildings on the hip strip. The tourism industry in Jamaica is booming. They say 20,000 hotel rooms are going to come on stream very soon. And I think 8,500 of those rooms will be ready within a few years. Alright, so we're heading towards Howard Cook Boulevard now. So on the right, you're going to see the Harmony Beach Park facility. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.